What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view hidden files and folders in Windows 10. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your Windows 10 desktop and you want to open the File Explorer. Once you're here, you then want to go to the top left hand corner and click on this arrow, and you want to uncheck this box where it says minimize the ribbon. That way you notice that these panels up the top will become visible. If they're already visible, you don't need to do that step. So once you've done that, you then want to go over to the View tab. You may already be on the Computer tab or whatever tab it is. And here at the right, you see these tick boxes, and one of them's going to say Hidden Files. So what I want to do is tick that, and that's basically going to allow us to view the hidden files. So to show an example, we're going to go to the local disk, and if you look at the files that I have here, these are sort of like your default files. Then we're going to tick this box, and you'll notice that this one at the top has actually appeared, and so has program data. Now these files are slightly more faded, and it's a way of Windows telling you that you don't really want to mess around with these files, you don't want to be using, but in very rare occasions you may have to use them. You can also view the file extensions as well, so if I click and untick this box, you'll see that it shows you the file extensions. So instead of right clicking it, going into properties and viewing the extension, it basically just tells you right there, or it tells you here as well. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and comment below if you do have any other video suggestions I can help you with. So thank you for watching and have a good day.